Hi all, Niecy Love Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be working with the Singer 5825C sewing machine. So today I will be showing you how to add the bobbin thread to your machine. So let's get started. First thing you need is a bobbin that is loaded and threaded properly and your trusty machine. I will take the bobbin case, pull it down by just pressing it like such. And I will make sure that the bobbin is going counterclockwise or rolling off of the left. And I'm going to stick it into the machine as such. And then I'm going to locate as like a silver liner here. And you want to find the middle part of it. I'm going to use my pen here. So here is the slit between this part. This is a very important piece because you're going to insert your thread through that. So I will take my thread and I'm going to hold this down with my right hand. I'm going to put it through the slit and I'm going to pull it to the left. And you heard it click. So I'll do it again. Okay, same thing. I put it here. Listen for the click. All right. So it clicked. So I know it's in the machine because if I pull this out, which you do not have to do, but you see that it's attached. So once the bobbin is in there like that, then you will take your top thread. So my top thread, in the last tutorial, I showed you all how to thread the top thread. So just check that video out. So I'll take this and grab it in my left hand. Turn the hand wheel towards me, so I'm turning it this way. So as I turn the hand wheel with my right, I have the thread in my left, and I'm going to let the needle come all the way down and do a full rotation and come all the way back up to its highest position. As you see, you saw that the thread kind of went around and grabbed the bobbin thread. So I will continue to pull it up. And you see that there's a black loop. That's the bobbin thread. Sometimes it doesn't catch, so you may have to do it again. Just take your needle down and put it back up. So I'm just going to yank, 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 yank. And you may use your scissors also. But I'm going to grab the bobbin thread. And you see that the bobbin thread is coming up through the machine, which is what you want. And then the top thread is coming from the top. So I put both of those to the back. Okay, close the machine, and now I'm ready to sew. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial of how to add the bobbin thread in the Singer 5825C sewing machine. Leave us your questions and comments. Let us know how we're doing. Click that bell so that you get our notifications. Subscribe to our page as well as continue with your sewing journey. So thanks for watching and happy sewing.